beautiful is this bob right here? And look how it flows so nice. If you want more information, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but yeah, she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze.
Alright, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. This review is going to be on Love Me Hair. You guys know I love me a Love Me Hair review. They never let me down. Alright, so I'm taking out the bob, and this is how it looks right out of the box. So you're looking inside, and you can see that it has like a parting, and there's an adjustable band. So we're gonna wear this glueless, and there's also some pins to hold it in place if you want. And I'm just gonna put it on my head so you can see exactly how it looks right out of the box. And as you can see, it's basically already styled. Like, it doesn't look crazy at all coming out. And look at these knots, you guys. The knots are so small. I won't even need to pluck or even bleach the knots, so I'm really happy about that. The hair is so nice and soft and just flowy. I love it. Alright, so now I'm just taking it in to see what I'm gonna do with it. And for the lace, we're going to tint it to make it look like, you know, it's coming out of our scalp. And as usual, I use my bronzer and a flat brush to do that. And the reason why I use a bronzer and not my foundation is because my forehead is much darker than my actual face. So it's important for me to, you know, try to match my forehead shade instead of my face, because it's going to be sitting on my forehead. And as you'll see, I'm just going to put it all over the lace, and make sure that you focus on the hairline, because that's really where we'll be cutting.
Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one.
Alright, so after I do that, I'm going to put it on my head, and you're going to see the difference between how it looks like now. Like, where is the lace? I mean, yeah, you can see it, but you know what I mean. Like, this is a before and after. You see, it's so much nicer, and it's going to blend in so much better. Alright, and sorry guys, I usually cut the lace on camera, but I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. But I used my eyebrow scraper to cut the lace, and you just basically want to cut right before the hairline. You don't want to cut any of the actual hairs. But yeah, this is how it looks when I have the lace cut. It's looking great, it's looking amazing, and I'm loving it. So what I did, I brushed out the hair, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of body. So I take my straightener, and I kind of just straighten the hair down, and just give it kind of a bump at the end. And this will make the wig have some sort of attitude, if you know what I mean.
Give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good.
And yeah, this is how it looks, you guys. This is so nice. I am loving it. This really gives like the vibe of, like, you know, I mean, I remember seeing a girl that had like a really short bob, and I always wanted to do it, so I'm really happy I did this. And yeah, so basically for the baby hairs, I'm not gonna cut any baby hair. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the hair behind my ear, and that's gonna make it look much more natural. And you'll see at the end also, I also put it fully behind my ear, so you'll see that's another look that you can do with this also. and I just want you guys to see there's no glue at all. So this wig is so convenient. You could just take it off, put it back on, take it off, put it back on.
Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that.
Alright, and this is the part where I put it fully behind my ear to give it a different type of look. And this kind of gives it like the asymmetrical or asymmetrical, I don't know how to say it, that type of look. And it looks really, really nice, you guys. And I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss, look cute, and yeah, I am very, very, very satisfied with this wig. I've always needed a wig that you could really just put on and off, and I love the length of this bob. It looks really, really good. If you guys have any questions, you can definitely comment down below and ask me, and I will try my best to answer. And yeah, I'm just flipping my hair back and forth so you can see how nice and flowy it is. It's so soft. Like, I'm loving this bob. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.
My life.